In this class, we will discuss about question number 7, exercise 7.1, triangles. What about this question? AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. What? AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. So, what we can say? Given what things we are having, AB is a line segment and P is AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. So what things we are having? P, what we are having? P is a midpoint. Phi is a midpoint of AB. What? P. AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. Midpoint, so what we can say? AP will be equal to BP. This side will be equal to this one. It is given us P is a midpoint of AB. P is a midpoint of AB. So we can say AP will be equal to BP. This will be what? Equation number 1. Clear? Now, D and E are points on the same side of AB. D and E are points on the same side of AB such that angle BAD equal to angle ABE and angle EPA equal to angle DPB. So, two things also given us. EPA, angle EPA, this angle EPA, this angle, clear? This angle equal to angle DPB, I am putting this one as equation number 2. This thing also given us. Now one thing also we are having, angle BAD, this angle BAD equal to angle ABE, this one. Clear? These three things we are having in the question. Observe. What? AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. AB is a line segment, P is midpoint. So we can say AP equal to BP. This thing, equation number 1. Now two angles we are having, angle BAD equal to angle AB. BAD, this angle equal to EBA. What? ABE, BAD, this angle equal to ABE, this one. And EPB, this angle equal to DPB, clear? So that triangle DAP, this triangle is congruent to triangle EPB. What we want? We want to prove this triangle this one is congruent to this one or not. So this angle equal to this one, but for this triangle we should know this angle. What? This angle. Once we talk about triangle DAP, so one is this angle equal to this one. Another triangle is what? EBP, for this triangle and for this triangle, one side we are having equal, AP equal to BP, one side, this angle equal to this angle, but we want to equate this angle should be equal to this one. Then we can say what? Then we can say these two triangles are congruent. So how we will equal these two. Once we add, we are having this angle and this angle. Where this one? EPA, EPA, and this one is where? DPB in equation number 2. So on adding EPD, we are adding this angle, on adding this angle, on adding this one, on adding angle EPD, on adding angle EPD, on adding angle EPD on both sides of equation 2, on adding angle EPD on both sides of equation number 2. What? This equation. In this equation we are having EPA, but for this triangle we require, what we require? For this triangle we require this angle we require, APD. So how we can obtain this one? Once we add EPD in this angle, so we are adding EPD, angle EPD on both sides of this equation, then what we are getting? Angle EPA plus angle EPD will be equal to angle DPB plus angle EPD. Yes or no? Now observe, EPA, this angle, plus EPD, this angle. Then we can say what? Both sum will be what? Angle what? DP, sum of both will be DPA. Yes or no? DPA, this angle plus this angle, what we are getting? Again I am drawing, observe this one. What is the meaning of this one? We are having, observe, like we are considering this angle plus this angle, plus this angle will be what? This one. Clear? So what? EPA plus EPD, this will be what? APD, or we can say DPA. So this will be what? DPA equal to this one, DPB plus EPD, this angle plus this angle, we are getting what angle? We are getting this one. Yes or no? What angle we are getting? EPB, angle EPB. What we are doing in this question, observe, in three things we are having in the question. AB is a line segment and P is the midpoint, so we can say this side will be equal to this one. We want to prove this triangle is congruent of this one or not. In the equation number 2, this angle we are in, these two angles we are having. So EPA, this angle equal to DPB, this one. But for these two triangle we require this complete triangle, this complete angle, and this one. So we are adding EPB, not EPB, EPD. We are adding EPD in both sides of equation number 2. Then we are getting what we are getting? DPA. This angle will be equal to EPB, this angle. So I am putting this one as equation number 4. I am putting this one as equation number 4. Clear? Now in triangle, DAP, now in triangle DAP and triangle EBP, DAP and in triangle EPB. What we can say? We want to prove question number 1 is a congruent. Both are congruent, congruent or not. How we will prove? So first we should be write DPA. This angle DPA equal to angle EPB from equation 4. This angle for this triangle and this triangle, this angle equal to this one, we proved in the equation number 4, so we can write this one. Now other things, what we can say, D and other thing, this one DAP, angle DAP equal to angle EBP from equation. This is given, this is thing we are having. DAP, this angle equal to this one EPB, it is a given. This thing we are having in the question. Clear? Now one thing also we are having, AP equal to BP, from equation 1, yes or no? 3 things we obtained. So finally we can say triangle DAP is congruent of triangle EPB by angle side angle congruence rule. Angle side angle congruence rule. From this rule we can say what? These two triangles. What these two triangles? DAP is congruent of EBP. We proved this one. Clear? So these two triangles are congruent. So finally we can say AD side will be equal to BE. So AD equal to BE by CPCT. Congruent part, CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. CPCT is what? Once these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle are we proved congruent, it means corresponding parts of these triangles will be what? Equal. So finally we can say AD equal to BE. This thing we proved, so we can say hence proved. Simple question. What we are doing, observe again. Some things we are having in the question. By using these things we can easily to prove these things. Observe, we are having AB as a line segment and P is the midpoint. So simply we can say this part will be equal to this one. It is given in the question. So we are writing P is the midpoint of AB, so AP equal to BP. Two things we are having in the question. This angle equal to this one and this angle equal to this one. Clear? We want to prove this triangle is congruent of this one or not. So we should be prove congruence rule, then we can easily to say these two triangles are congruent. Once we proved this thing, then we can say corresponding parts of these two triangles will be what? Equal. Then we can say AD equal to BE. So this angle equal to this one, this side equal to this one. Two things we are having, but we want to equate this angle equal to this one. So this thing we are having in the question, these two angles are equal, so we are adding this angle in these two angles, then we are getting this one equal to this one. Then finally we can say angle side angle congruence rules, these two triangles are congruent, and finally this side AD will be equal to BE. Why? Because CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So we proved these things. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.